This is Jennifer Allison, a research librarian and foreign and international law specialist at the Harvard Law School Library. Welcome to our video training course, Introducing Law Library Research to LLM Students. In this series of training videos, we'll cover the following topics: navigating the Law Library's website, searching Hollis, the Harvard Library Catalog, using Hollis to find prior year's LLM papers, tips for finding an LLM paper topic, preemption checking, the Blue Book legal citation system, and using PERMA to create permanent links for your LLM paper. All of the videos are captioned. To turn on captioning in any of the videos, point your mouse to the bottom of the video window and click the CC button. You can also speed up or slow down the playback speed. In the video window, click the settings icon, which looks like a little gear and is next to the CC button. Then select the option you want in the playback speed menu. Under 1.0 will slow it down, and more than 1.0 will speed it up. Let's get started with a tour of the Law Library's website, which will be offered by my colleague, librarian Mindy Kent.
Hi, my name is Mindy Kent, and I'm one of the librarians here at the Harvard Law School Library. Today I'm going to be taking you on a quick tour of the Harvard Law School Library website. So let's go ahead and jump in. The Harvard Law Library website is located at hls.harvard.edu/library. Notice that the library hours are located at the top of the page, so you'll know when you can drop in and see us. Let's scroll down. Right below the hours, you'll see links to our services. Let's start in Research Services. This page gives a quick overview of our services, contact information, research tools, and some quick ways to start your research. Notice the section on contact methods in the center of the page. Click on Ask Us. This link brings you to our Ask a Librarian page. This is where you can go to submit a question, search our knowledge base, or request an appointment. We're on duty and happy to answer your questions during business hours, Monday through Friday. Let's click on the Request an Appointment link. You can use this form to submit a research question or ask for an appointment. To ask for an appointment, scroll down the page where you'll see the option, Would you like to meet with a librarian? Go ahead and select Yes if you'd like us to reach out to you to set up an appointment. We offer personal research consults to all Harvard affiliates, including LLM students. In fact, the graduate program will encourage you to meet with one of us during your time at HLS, and we look forward to meeting with you. But before you request a personal consult, please watch all of the videos in this video training course series first. We want our meetings with you to be as productive as possible, and the best way to guarantee that is that you learn some of the basics about the library research on your own first, and that way we can focus our meeting on the more unique or interesting areas of your research. Now let's go back to the library homepage. From here, let's explore some other resources that you might use to start your research. Next to start your research, we've got 4 tiles that contain some of the resources that are most useful for your research. Let's start in the upper left with research guides and videos. This page includes a number of sources that you'll find useful when you're working on a research project or studying for your exams. The first section of this page includes links to research guides. Research guides are web pages created by our expert librarians to guide you through skills like blue booking and resources on specialized legal topics. Further down the page, you'll find links to some of our online study guides. These link to web tutorials, audio recordings, and study aids that can help introduce you to a topic or help you review. Below the study guides, you'll find links to various instructional videos created by our librarians, including the videos for this training course. Back on the home page, let's move clockwise and click on the Legal Databases tile. There are 3 general U.S. legal research databases for which you'll need to set up your own user account. These are Lexis, Westlaw, and Bloomberg Law. You can get more information about them by clicking on the link on this page, but don't worry, you'll also get an email from the library right before classes start with instructions to set up the accounts. For most of our other databases, the general rule is that your Harvard Key credentials will work to give you access to them. So let's take a quick look at how to find them. This page groups databases by category. Let's take a look at the subject list for foreign and comparative law. The list on this page are the 5 best bets, that is, the most broadly useful general databases that the librarians have selected. But to see more, we can click on the full list at the bottom. This takes us to a page with links to our many non-US legal databases to which we subscribe, covering jurisdictions across the Americas, Europe, Asia, and Africa. One of the most useful databases that will show up a lot in these lists is Hein Online. And Hein Online is the next tile. Hein Online contains a large collection of current and historical law journals, U.S. primary law materials, treaties, and more. If you click on the tile, you'll go directly to the Hein Online homepage, where you can explore their collections in more depth. Back on the homepage, the final tile is the Hollis Library Catalog. Hollis opens up the full world of books, databases, articles, and other services and tools provided by Harvard. You'll explore that more in the next video in this series. I also encourage you to explore the rest of the website on your own for information about current library events, spaces, and policies. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour. If you do find that you have any trouble navigating our website, or if you need help finding any of our resources, please visit our Ask a Librarian page at asklib.law.harvard.edu.